Hey everybody, welcome back to Grit and Grind. So as you can see, we have a dump truck and a trailer, and if you can tell by the last few videos that I've done, I have an addiction, apparently, that I just can't seem to shake. Call it a glutton for punishment, call it whatever you want, but a deal's a deal, and it's hard to pass up when you get a good deal. So we are back over here at our local Ford New Holland dealer, and all the way in the back should be what we are after today. I think we just have to go find it because I know it just went through the shop. They were nice enough to fix a couple things for us. And I'll pick you back up in a minute with what it is.